Hello everyone. So welcome back to our PYQ series Revised to ACE, and today we have taken very important topic, unsung women freedom fighters. And why we are discussing it? It's already written on the top. Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav. You will understand why I am saying, why I am talking like this. So we are going to discuss about these women leaders जिनका फेस देख के शायद आपको याद नहीं आ रहा होगा या देखा नहीं होगा कभी. But we'll understand it with the help of the question, and then you will get to know that why are we discussing about them. So this was the question which was asked by UPSC, and this question is talking about who among the following was not a women leader who organized workers in the strikes in 1920s. Very specific question in 1920s also. That is, the year is also specific, and women, that is also specific. Women leader. And saying not. Sarla Devi Chaudhrani, Usha Bai Dange, Prabhavati Devi, Anasuya Ben. So let's see, let's understand about them one by one. So talking about Sarla Devi Chaudhrani, we have, she is Sarla Devi, and as you can see, her young days and then later age of her life. She was Rabindranath Tagore's niece, but that is not what she is known for. She is known for her work. She was a very active leader. She was one of the Bengal's first political leader. Okay, so we'll understand through her work about her. She was known for editing Bengali magazine called Bharati Patrika. Now it doesn't mean that you have to remember each and everything. Just remember broadly. She authored a book, Ahitangika, for school students to generate awareness concerning the freedom struggle, and also launched Underground Revolutionary Group. So if you have to ever talk about that, which of the women are associated with revolutionary group, so she was associated with revolutionary group as well. And very interesting element. We all know about Vande Mataram of Bankim Chand Chatterjee, Vande Mataram. Only the first two lines were the music of the first two lines were composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Rest of the lines were composed by her. So she is known for her musical composition for Bankim Chand Chatterjee's Vande Mataram. Hardly people know about it. And Indian National के कांग्रेस पे songs गाती थी, लिखती थी. बहुत सारा song इन्होंने रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर के लिए भी लिखा है. In 1904, she opened a shop called Lakhir Bhandar in Calcutta itself to sell only Swadeshi products. So she was actively involved in Swadeshi also. 1910, she founded Bharat Stri Mahamandal. This is very famous work of hers. All India Women's Organization. It was a semi-revolutionary group. Semi-revolutionary group था, तो इसके लिए भी जानी जाती हैं. Okay, this is 1910. And she is known for women, the first women political leader from Bengal in the Indian independence struggle. She also founded Bharat Stri Shiksha Sadan, a school for girls in Calcutta. She worked for women's education in villages in Lahore because इनके husband जो थे वो बहुत ही prominent revolutionary थे from Punjab. Age difference था. She got married to him and Lahore गई हैं. She worked for widows there, and in all these days she was very actively involved in the Indian freedom struggle. 1920s she जब जलियांवाला बाग 1919 में हुआ उसको भी इन्होंने अपोज किया. 1920s she was actively engaged with Mahatma Gandhi. That was the period like when Mahatma Gandhi was also not well, be it labor strike, be it whatever was going on, the movements, the speeches, she was managing, she was helping, she was actively engaged. ठीक है? 1935 she took active retirement. She took retirement from the active politics. So this is Sarla Devi Chaudhrani. Let's talk about Usha Bai Dange. Second option. She was married to a prominent leader of CPI and a communist trade union leader of Bombay textile workers, and we all know about him, S.A. Dange. One of the first women participant in the trade union movement, labor strike. ठीक है? She voiced the concern and demanded for better working conditions for women workers. सरला देवी ने भी women workers के लिए काम किया था, एक organization ही बना दिया था. And 1931 she was the only female participant to oppose the arrest of M.N. Roy, a famous prominent trade union leader, communist. ठीक है? So you also know that उनका constitution में क्या रोल था, कैसा था, किसने बोला था. तो हिस्ट्री में ये सब आप पढ़ते हैं M.N. Roy के बारे में. So Ushabai Dange also was involved in workers' labor strike and their rights. She was actively involved with S.A. Dange, मतलब उनकी तो वाइफ ही थी. Third option, Prabhavati Devi. So Prabhavati Devi, she was the daughter of famous Gandhian lawyer Brij Prasad. She got married to Jayaprakash Narayan. We all know about him. Post independence में उनके बारे में हम पढ़ते हैं. ठीक है? She was a passion, but यहाँ पे थोड़ा आइडियोलॉजिकल डिफरेंसेस थे हस्बैंड वाइफ में. जयप्रकाश नारायण का कुछ स्टडीज था, कुछ सिलेक्शन हुआ, बाहर गए वो, उसके बाद लौट गया तो फ्रीडम फाइटर, ही बिकेम अ रिकॉग्नाइज्ड फ्रीडम फाइटर, प्रोमिनेंट फ्रीडम फाइटर. बट ऑल दोज डेज शी वाज स्पेंडिंग हर लाइफ एट गांधीज जीज आश्रम एंड शी वाज अ पैशनेट फॉलोअर. फिर उन लोगों ने डिसाइड किया कि ठीक है, वी विल रेस्पेक्ट ईच अदर. शादी तो हो गई है, बच्चे नहीं करेंगे, आज़ादी देश के आज़ाद होने के बाद देखेंगे. तो ऐसे इन लोगों ने अपनी लाइफ को सेक्रीफाइस किया. लाइफ टाइम शी फॉलोड गांधी जी. शी पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट. शी वॉज अरेस्टेड इन 1932. शी पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द सॉल्ट ब्रेकिंग द सॉल्ट लॉ एंड शी वॉज अरेस्टेड एंड वॉज सेंट टू भागलपुर जेल, बिहार. ठीक है, बिहार में हुआ करता था. तो इस तरीके से शी वॉज एक्टिवली एंगेज्ड, प्रभावती देवी. बट इनकी स्टोरी में कहीं भी लेबर स्ट्राइक में या उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करने का जिक्र नहीं है. द फोर्थ ऑप्शन, अनुसुईया बेन साराबाई बेन. शी वॉज द फर्स्ट वुमेन, she was the woman who organized India's first women labor movement का लीडर इनको बोलते हैं. She founded India's oldest union of textile workers, Ahmedabad Textile Labor Association, which is also known as Mazdoor Mahajan Sangh, in 1920s. Her story is very inspiring. She became orphan at the age of 9. She got married at the age of 13. Then she escaped her marriage with the help of her brother. In 1912, she went to London to study, to pursue her medical degree. बट वहाँ जाने पे उनको पता चलता है कि मेडिकल डिग्री में एनिमल्स का डाइसेक्शन करना होता है. देन शी स्विच्ड टू द लंदन स्कूल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स. फिर वहाँ से उन्होंने पढ़ाई की. ठीक है, और क्यों स्विच किया? बिकॉज एनिमल डाइसेक्शन होता है एंड इट वॉज द इन वॉल्यूशन ऑफ हर जैन बिलीव्स, जैन एथिक्स जो भी वो फॉलो करते थे. यू कैन यूज दिस पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम्पल इन एथिक्स एज वेल. Whenever you talk about women leader, and ये क्वेश्चन भी आ सकता है मेंस में. ठीक है, सो ये सारी जिन महिलाओं के बारे में, जिन लीडर्स के बारे में हमने पढ़ा है, दे ऑल आर वेरी इंस्पायरिंग. ठीक है, सो ये भी, इन्होंने भी लेबर मूवमेंट में पार्टिसिपेट किया था. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज, ये सब तो स्पेक्ट्रम में भी नहीं देते हैं, कुछ एनसीईआरटी में पढ़ते हैं, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी डोंट रीड ऑल द नेम्स इन द एनसीईआरटीज. बट यूपीएससी हैज आस्क्ड, now what is the trend, how shall we prepare? Don't worry, don't prepare. बट ये हमें एलिमिनेशन से जानना है. सरला देवी पढ़ते हैं उनके बारे में. अनुसुईया, शी वॉज फ्रॉम बेंतून स्कूल. शी वॉज द गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट फ्रॉम द कैलकाटा यूनिवर्सिटी. सो शी इज वेरी फेमस. अनुसुईया बैन, इनके बारे में हम पढ़ते ही हैं, है ना. डांगे को फिर डांगे से रिलेट करना पड़ेगा. बट येस, वी कैन नॉट प्रिपेयर फॉर सच क्वेश्चंस. वी हैव टू बी वेरी अलर्ट whenever we are preparing, that how to prepare. Now whenever you will read your books, you will be attentive, but other than books you should know certain things. You should know that this about Sarla Devi from Tagore's family, a leading light of Swadeshi movement. This question, this article was given in Indian Express in 2020. This is the website of Government of India, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav Unsung Heroes detail. And you know, on that website what government has done? Government has done this. They have categorized the theme: brave women of our freedom struggle. women in power elected to the constituent assembly and tribal leaders of the freedom struggle. So जो गवर्नमेंट का ट्रेंड है, be it with respect to the statues, last year हो चुका है, the statues and the philosophy from the ancient India, be it the unsung heroes, they are focusing there. अभी यूपीएससी नहीं है, सीडीएस के एग्जाम में पूछा है women leaders के बारे में, ठीक है? So this is what maximum you can do. अभी it will not make sense at all that you go and read the books and सारे वुमेन लीडर्स के बारे में हम हिस्ट्री उनका नोट करें, उनके डिटेल बनाएं. नो. बट या आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट व्हाई एंड फ्रॉम वेयर इट वाज आस्क्ड एंड व्हाई आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव. सो गवर्नमेंट यूपीएससी दे वांट अस टू रीड अबाउट such unsung heroes. Now let's revisit the question again. Who among the following was not a women leader who organized workers in the strikes in 1920s? Sarla Devi, yes. Gandhi ji और कैसे एक्टिव थी वो? उषा देवी डांगे, ऐसे डांगे, कम्युनिस्ट, yes. अनुसुईया बेन, yes. But not अगर बात करें तो she was not. But if we have to choose the answer, we will not mark like this. So the answer will be this. Okay, let me erase it. So the answer is Prabhavati Devi. Nowhere, even on the government's website, unsung heroes, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, two Prabhavati Devis are mentioned. But both are associated with Gandhiji, but their active engagement is 1930s, 1935 in civil disobedience movement and later Quit India movement. So this is how we can say the answer is Prabhavati Devi. Okay guys, so this is about today's question, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Hope it was interesting. Hope you got a different perspective. You got the trend analysis. You must have got to know that where you should focus upon, at least by whenever you are watching these videos and when you will be going back to your revision of the particular subject, you will be attentive. You will be sharp enough to choose based on the trend which is there, which UPSC is following. Okay? At least they are giving us some hint. ठीक है, इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि बेसिक छोड़ देना, बेसिक कभी भी यूपीएससी पूछ सकती है. Okay, so this is it guys in today's video. Hope you all are taking care of your studies. कोई भी doubt हो, you can ask. We are getting a lot of doubts about routine, about discipline, about revision, about test series. Soon we will be coming up with a video which will help you in managing all these issues. Okay. Hope you are taking care of your current affairs and overall studies. Okay. So take care guys. We will meet tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. So we'll meet on Monday. See you all. Take care and revise whatever we have discussed this week. Revise. Okay. Take care. See you all. Be safe.